welcome back to another fidget trading video with McKinley, my cousin. Alright, so I have more fidgets right now. You saw the unboxing video. I don't know how to link videos in the description, so sadly you gotta check out my YouTube just to see that video. But let me move the stupid camera, let me move you. No. What are you doing? Nah. Oh, my hair's going crazy on the vent.
Do you like this one?
Yeah, I guess. There we go. So, what will you offer for this fidget spinner?
I will offer this dimple.
I'll add another dimple to that since I really want you to have a dimple. Deal?
I'll add this. You get to keep it because I don't really like it. I mean, it's just like a tiny one, and I know you've been wanting this tiny pocket, don't you?
Thank you very, very much.
You're welcome. What will you offer for what will you offer for both of my monkey noodles?
I'll offer.
Don't add that monkey noodle because I know you like it.
I love monkeys. You sure you don't want to just add one monkey noodle?
Okay, yeah, you can add monkey noodle.
Are you sure you don't want to just add one? Just add one.
Since this is pink, I really like white. And let me do my fidget bag real quick because I can show them the camera. You get in the camera a little bit since I'm in the camera.
Hi! This is my YouTube channel. Okay. This is my YouTube channel. Cameron got to see me go screenshot. But it was stirred up in the dirt like blur. Now what were you offering me again?
I was offering this monkey noodle, this spanner, and this marble mash with one dimple. But that's too much.
That's too much.
That's at 3 things.
Yeah, just add 3 rings. Okay, this is... Alright, so... This is my favorite puzzle ball. And since you're my cousin, I'm going to give you my favorite puzzle ball.
You
ball.
can keep that because I don't really like it.
I love that ball. I'll give you... do you want to have... I think I'll give you, I know you've been wanting this for a long time. Okay, so I'll give you this and after.
Please add. Because this is all my red and pinkish fidgets, so I need you to add.
Okay, so I'll
Alright, and I'll add this other one that I really like. So, other spinner. Since this, I want to add.
Don't add all your favorite things.
Well, I don't really like that, so I'm gonna add these.
Take out the pink monkey noodle and the marble mash.
I'm taking that out because I don't want to try that.
No, take out the pink monkey noodle and the marble mash. Or else I'm not going to accept the trade.
I know, then just blue. I don't really like it, so.
And the pink one's your favorite, so I don't really...
And I'll offer that.
do you want this offer? You've been wanting the snapper for a really long time. I could tell you really wanted it.
Since I'm doing that, since you're giving me 3 snappers, I'm going to add in my snapper. can at least have one snack. So you can at least have 2 snackers. Is that a deal?
Deal.
Okay.
Okay, I'll offer this. What am I gonna? I'll add this.
Wait, Ruby Kate, this actually counts as a fidget because look, you can do that, and it's
Yeah, but remember to close it real tight.
like this. See, look, you can go like this, and that's very satisfying. It stresses, you know.
These should be great.
So this counts as 2 fidgets.
Yeah. I'll add this. Alright, so I'll add these 2 fidgets.
Okay.
Please give me some good stuff because these are my 2 favorite fidgets.
Wait, you said this one was your favorite, so
This isn't my favorite.
no. No, like, I gave this to you, so I want you to keep it.
No.
No, I really want you to keep it since I gave it to you, and I know you really like it.
Okay. Alright, I'll give.
Did you know scrunchies are like a fidget? Because look, you can do that. And then,
We're 6 minutes in this. We need to hurry this up. Here, I'll give you this and this.
okay, I've been really wanting a new note, so I really want that offer, and I'll add this pot tube, this marble mash, and this dimple.
For that, I'll be adding a pop tube, and that will be and I will accept.
I'll add one more small thing. I'll give you this table.
All right, that's an exception. You accept.
Oh, since you gave me this, I'm going to give you.
Thank you.
So I'll trade this Orbeez stress ball, which I like to call that. This.
I'm already getting my offer ready.
This snapper. And this with that. And one more thing. Let's see. And this. That's like count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 things.
Okay.
So I need a really, really good offer. See, this counts as a fidget. See?
I know. I see. Let's get this video over with. This is last trade.
No, I'm gonna do a few more, like 10.
We're gonna do part 2.
Yeah, we're gonna do a part 2 after this. So. Oh, and I'll add in this monkey. Wait, I just saw that this has things on it.
All right. Do you want my offer?
I'm going to count how many things. So this 1, 2. Wait, hold on. 1 second. Let me go.
Don't detach it.
No, I'm doing something.
That's not how you put it back in. Gimme.
Hold on. Okay. I want you to have this.
Just give me. Give me that.
Hold on. 1 minute.
Give it back. Give it back. Part 2.